Okay, good morning children. Today I am going with the second lesson, that is uses of plants. What do you mean by plants? Plants, nothing but will get the oxygen from the plants itself, right? Will breathe through the oxygen. Where will get the oxygen? From the plants itself, isn't it? And we are going to eat the leaves of the plants. And now I am going to tell you what are the uses of plants. Okay. In this chapter we will learn about the uses of plant. What are the uses of plants? Plants are useful to us in many ways. Of course, plants are useful to us in many ways. What are they? We get many things from them. We cannot live without plants, isn't it? Whatever we are going to eat, pulses, cereals and some food items, everything will get it through the plant itself. Without plant we cannot live. So most of our food comes from plants. See here, there is so many pictures. We use different parts of various plants as food in this. See here, this is a stem. The potato, sugarcane, ginger. These all we use for our sambars, right? Some spicy items also we'll use this ginger, and potato is a vegetable, and sugarcane nothing but will get the sugar, jaggery. This both item will get the from sugarcane, and also will get the juice from sugarcane, right? And potato is this is also stem. You can see that potato grown upper layer of the soil, children. And above the soil, little bit you can see so many potatoes are growing, right? Once you will see, you will come to know. That's why we call it as potato as a stem. And also you can see here small dots, that is called buds. And also eyes of the potatoes. The small dots. Some plants will grow, the reproduction of plants will grow in this buds, children. So this is sugarcane, ginger. All these are stem we are going to eat. And sugarcane also will eat the stem of the juice, no? You will get the juice from that stem itself, right? That is called sugarcane. And ginger also is a stem. You can see the buds and small buds in ginger also. That reproduction of plants will grow in this, small plants will grow in this also. So these are our stem which we are going to eat, this stem. Roots, carrot, radish, turnip. These all called roots. These are roots only we are going to eat as a vegetable. This carrot, radish and turnip, these all grow under the soil. Under the soil down we can see, upward we can see the leaves of these vegetables. Okay, carrot, radish and turnip will grow under the soil. This is a root of that plant. We are going to eat this root as a vegetable. We won't eat the leaves. Okay, roots of the plant is carrot, radish and turnip. And flowers. Flowers is cauliflower and broccoli. This is also vegetable. This is not a flower, means not or something show plants or anything else. This is a vegetable. The broccoli you have seen some children have been seen, some of them not. But this cauliflower we can see. We are going to prepare a gobi manchuri, right? In this cauliflower, isn't it? So flowers we are going to eat of this cauliflower and broccoli, and also have for pulao, some vegetables, soups, everything we are going to use this cauliflower. You all know. Moreover, you like to eat gobi manchuri, no? It's going to prepare in this cauliflower only. Okay? This is the flowers of vegetables. Plants. This is also grown in the plants. So we are going to eat this. Next is leaves. Leaves of the plants. Which leaves of the plants we are going to eat? That is spinach, lettuce, cabbage. Cabbage you all seen. It's like a cauliflower only, but it's full of leaves. It's covered with leaves. It's no, you can't see this gobi inside it. Okay, it's a cauliflower, cabbage and lettuce and spinach. This is also leaves of plants we are going to eat. Next, I'll move for fruits. Where do you get the fruits? From the market. Who is going to take it for the market? It's a farmer. For farmer, where all these fruits and vegetables will get? From the plants itself. Even fruits will get from the plants. Of course, you can see this, not only these 4 fruits, children. You have lots of fruits. You have eaten, right? So, apple, pineapple, papaya, mango. This is all. Mango is king of fruits, right? It's so much yummy, isn't it? So, mango, papaya, pineapple, apple, all these fruits are very tasty fruits. And seeds. What is the seeds? Peas, beans, grams, corns. You know this peas, no? You'll call it as batani. This is called peas. You'll use for so many things like masala puri. You like very spicy items like papaya. Palau. We are going to prepare some dishes. We are going to put this for beans also, for vegetables, and grams. You all know this, grams also, and corn, jola. This is also, all these are seeds, so we'll get it. These seeds we are going to sow under the soil so that it can grow, we'll get the baby plants, children. These are the seeds we are going to eat. This is also we'll get it from the plants. Grains. These are grains you all know, no? Rice, daily need. Daily we are going to use this rice. Wheat, we are going to prepare chapati now. In this we are going to mill it and we'll get this in the wheat. We'll get the wheat flour. So we are going to do chapatis and roti also. This is maize. And oat. Oat is nothing but nowadays it's a dieting food. Oats, it's good for health. Okay, less cholesterol. You don't know cholesterol and all, but also I'll tell you. Okay, oats is also good for health. Okay, maize, wheat, rice, all these are grains. Okay, we are going to eat it daily. Some will eat it daily and some we won't. Okay, this is spices. You like more, no? Spices, if your mother is preparing something, you'll get good smell of that. Why? How come it get good smell of the dishes? Because of this spices. She going to put all this, includes all these spices like cardamom, cinnamon, pepper. All this will get, after mixing up for masalas, it will get good smell, right? Like cardamom is nothing but yalaki, you will call it as, right? Cinnamon is chekke, and pepper you all know that, black pepper. So all these are spices, and still more is there, like for example jeera is there, chili is there, so many things, still more is there, clove is there. All these are spices, children. All the spices we are going to use in for our food. Okay, this is about today's fruits, seeds, grains, vegetables, leaves which we are going to be eat. All this we are going to get it through the plants. Okay, this is enough for today. I am going to teach you next 2 pages in the next class. Thank you.